Sabi nila, you should wait until your 30s before you get married. I'm 25 and I say yes to marriage. Ito yung mga common question na tinatanong nila if you're planning to get married early. Ayaw mo bang yumaman muna? Or ayaw mo bang enjoyin yung life mo muna bago ka magpakasal? So let me tell you the reason why I'm doing it differently. Reason number 1 is to build wealth together. Gusto kong yumaman and I want to have someone together with me na magsusupport sa akin through ups and downs. I want to be with someone who dreams like me. Majority ng wealthy, happy people that I know, sila ay may asawa at most of them ay nag-asawa when they were young. So imagine the power of two minds working together. Sa business man yan, sa career. So you grind together, you work together, you plan together, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, but also for your future family. Reason number 2 is to raise kids while I am young and energetic. So I want to maximize yung energy na meron ako ngayon in my 20s para magpalaki ng mga anak. And imagine if you have kids in your 20s, so after 20 years, nasa 40s ka na nun, meron ka ng young adult na anak na pwede mo makasama sa sports, laro. No? So, sobrang ganda isipin kung ganun. So, reason number 3 is to build a family. So, gusto kong mag-build ng home, not just a house. Okay, so imagine may mga araw na pagod ka and then pag uwi mo sa bahay, let's say, meron kang wife and then may mga kids ka na yayakap sa'yo. That's very fulfilling for me. Mas may purpose yung pagsisikap mo, pagpapagod at of course yung mga goals mo. And of course gusto ko din na i-lead yung family ko in righteousness, spiritually, of course, para makapag-provide din sa kanila. Diba? So isipin mo yun, may mga baby ka, may asawa ka, and kahit siguro gaano kalungkot yung life, as long na meron kang ganun, meron kang family, somehow mababawasan at mas magiging masaya ka. Ito naman based on research, stable marriages tend to improve emotional health. Pangalawa, married couple build wealth faster due to shared goals and fewer distraction. Pangatlo, syempre, a strong family is a support system pag tumanda ka na. Imagine you're in your 70s, in your 60s, or even in your 80s. Siguro sobrang mas magiging meaningful yung life nun if meron kang mga apo, may anak ka na bibisita sa'yo. So sobrang fulfilling nun. So hindi naman ibig sabihin na magpapakasal na ako or kapi ng fiancé ko ay alam na namin lahat. We are still learning and it's okay to grow together. What matters is kung sino yung kasama mo when you are growing. Meron kasing tinatawag na right person and right timing. Minsan yung iba kahit nasa right person na, naghihintay pa rin sila ng right timing. Well, for me, if you're in the right person, why not now? Kilala mo naman siya, alam mo na makakatulong sa'yo, then why not marry her? So ako naniniwala din na marriage is not the end of freedom. Actually, ito yung start ng mas purposeful na buhay, mas meaningful na buhay. So, kung single ka man ngayon or in dating or engaged, so think about the future na gusto mo talaga. Because love isn't just a feeling, pero isa sang choice. So, I remember a quote, from Thomas S. Monson. Sabi niya, choose your love and love your choice. Deserve din kasi ng mga babae na pakasalan sila. Yan yung pinakatotoo. So, comment dyan sa baba if you're also planning to get married na this year or in your 20s. And if hindi naman, you can maybe comment also your reason bakit hindi ka pa magpapakasal in your 20s. Right? So, that's it. See you in my next video.